Hi and welcome back. Today we are going to be making another one of our soaps, and I plan to make the emoji kitty cat. Let's get to it. Okay, so I've got my materials. I'm going to use my scent. I'm going to make my kitty red. So I have two red color things, color tablets. And then I didn't take them apart. I just left them connected. I got 3 blocks of soap base, and last time I just used a plastic spoon. I'm set. So I'm gonna put my color tablets in my microwave safe measuring cup, and same goes with the soap. There we go. And I am going to microwave it. Okay, so I went ahead and poured it already. What you're basically gonna do is microwave it for 10 seconds, mix it, microwave it for 10 seconds, mix it until it actually until it's actual liquid. You needed to put in 3 color tablets and 3 soap blocks. I actually made a mistake on that, and so I put that in already. And then I also forgot to put in my scent. So when I poured it, I remember, oh no, I forgot to put in my scent. And I put it in. So you need to let this dry. And then you have to let it dry 30 minutes. Yeah. And then you take it out, and then I'll tell you the next step. Okay, so my soap is dry, and I went ahead and already put on my tattoo. It was very simple. All I did was choose one of the tattoos, cut it out, and put it on top of my soap. I took a wet paper towel, and I squeezed, I pressed on the soap, the tattoo, like I do on my hand, and I had to keep it on for a while, and I had to put more water on it. I don't think I did very well because my whisker got cut. I really think this soap is cute. I like it. It's a good gift. Like and subscribe. Bye.